Hola students, welcome back on Math DJU. Are you ready? Okay, check this out. Okay, good morning kids. Good afternoon, I mean. Oh, so windy here. So right now we want to continue chapter 4. Today is associative property of multiplication. Yes, associative property of multiplication is the grouping of the factors may be changed without changing this product. Okay, even though the factor is changing but the product still same. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, right now it's number 3. Number 3 on your book you have this one. 6 times 2 times 2 equal how many? But is that something different? Yes, we have parentheses here. Parentheses or bracket. Yes, what does it mean, Mr. Dia? If you have this one, what you need to do is you count the one that has parentheses first. The first one, the first thing to do is you count the parentheses first. So, what's next? Yes, you count next is 6 times 2. What is 6 times 2 times 2? 12. Okay, after you write down 12, after you count is 12, you just directly write down at the bottom here, below, yeah? And then after that, you already have 12 because you count from the parentheses first. Can we count 2 times 2? Yeah, later on. Okay, but right now, if you see this one, you have to count the parentheses first. After that, 12 times, yeah, just copy it here, 2. 12 times 2? 24, correct. So the answer is 24, as easy as like that. Okay, so even though the factor is different later on, you have bracket here or parentheses here or like this here, and the result or the product is still same. For this one, the next one, 6 times 2 times 2. What do you have to do first? Yeah, the parentheses first. Okay, you count 2 times 2. Okay, there is 4. 6 below here. So 6 times 4? Yes, exactly the same. 24. Same, right? But listen, on number 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, you have also 5. You have to circle the equation you solved. For example, if you want to answer like this, you have, for number 3, you have two kind of answer, two kind of the parentheses, right? So if you want to count with 6 times 2 first, you circle this one. 6 times 2 equal 24. Or if you want to, I want to count with 2 times 2 first there, so you will have this one, right? So you circle the other one. Okay, so you have to choose the equation like that. How about number 5? 6 classes, 5 children, 2 cookies. How many cookies needed? How many cookies needed? Okay, we have to understand there are 6 classes with 5 children in each class, and each child will receive 2 cookies. So this one, there are 6 classes. Write down 6 here. Okay, so and then with children in each class, and each child will receive 2 cookies. So for 5 children will receive 2 cookies, they have to put them together here. 5 times 2 with parentheses. Okay, so what is the result? Count by yourself. Continue. Okay, continue by yourself. Number 6, 2 daisies, 4 rows, 7 tables. How many daisies? Okay, you open the next page, page 88. How many? Okay, how many daisies? What do you have to do first? Yeah, you have to write down 4 because there is 4 rows times 2 times 7. Which one? Yeah, you may use the parenthesis here. What is the answer? 4 times 2? 8 times 7. What is this? Okay, answer by yourself. Yeah? Bye. Okay, let's move to page 89 and 90. It's about missing factor. You have to find the missing factor. Which one is missing? Yeah. Right now it's page 89, number 3, 5, and 8. Okay, since we have, you already have this before, right? Since we have 7 times n equal 8, 28. What does it mean? You have to find the n. What is n? So the logic is like this. 7 times what number equal 28? Okay, let's find it. After you have multiplication here, the one that you need to do is you divide the answer, the factor. Divide. So you move 28 here, and then 7 here. How about the n? Because the n is the question, so this is the n. What is the n? Okay, 28 divided 7. How many? Yeah, answer by yourself. Okay, I challenge you. Now number 5 also. Number 5, 4. Number 4 up to 8. You have to complete the equation. Remember to solve the operation in parentheses first. You do the parentheses first. Yes, like we did before. So you cannot 18 minus 6 plus 3 directly like that. No, you count the parentheses first. What is this? Yes, 6 plus 3 is 9. Good job. Oh, this is not times, Mr. Yudia. You have to change it with subtract. Okay, 18 minus 9 is 9. Okay, how about number 8? Yes, the parenthesis first. 6 times 8 is? Yes, 40. 48. And then you just copy it here. 58 minus 48. 10. Okay. Easy, right? So you find the answer for number 3 by yourself. And page 90. Page 90 is also same like that. 7 times n equal 63. Yeah, you divide the factor first. The bigger number, 63, divide 7. Okay? What is the answer? Find it by yourself. 21 divide 3 times 1. Parenthesis first. What should you do? Times it. 3 times 1 is 3. 21? Yes, just 21 here. 21 divide 3 is? Yeah, answer by yourself. Okay, I already gave you the way how to do it. Now, number 7. This is many of you still don't understand about this one. If you have to know the label first, okay? If you see the different label here, the number, you have listen. This is for the addends, okay? So we make the 18 become 2 addends, right? So if you have the picture like this, you have to count how many label that has different color. For the blue one is, okay, since we have 18, right? All the total is 18, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 from 18 is blue, and the rest is red. So what you have to do? You write down here at the addition. So 9 is represent the blue. How about the red? Yeah, 9 also represent the 9, the red, like that. So so review the page before if you have mistake. So you have to see the color in the label, okay, and then you write down as the addition. Yeah, so we have this one, 3 times 9 plus 9, and then copy it, 3 times 9, 3 times 9, and continue by yourself. Okay, let's make it faster. Yep, so right now solve problem backwards, page 91 and 92. Okay, let's go to number 1, page 91, number 1 and number 2. Number 1. Okay, the Captain Bailey spent, half of money and has $30 left in the pocket. So, how much money did he have when he left the ship? What do you have to do? Yeah, half of 30. What is that? That mean the half of 30. Okay, let's do like this. Half of 30. What do you have to do? For example, yeah, I already told you. Okay, you times with this one, so it become later on 30 divide 2, right? 30 divide 2, it become, yes, 15. So he has in the pocket is $15. Okay, how about number 2? Okay, if you read carefully, they have 235 pounds total. But the first stop and the second stop, we don't know how many they collected the same amount. So we have to know first stop and the second stop. But the information already give the information that the last stop is 35 pounds of shrimp, and the question is how much shrimp had they collected at each of the first 2 stops. What does it mean? Yeah, we don't know what is the first and the second stop amount of shrimp, right? So we have to know. How about this one? Okay, it's easy. You just use the total, the pounds total, and subtract it with the last stop 30 pounds shrimp. 235 minus 35. What is that? 0, 0, and 200. Yeah, so this is 200. So what does it mean? We already have 200 here. So first stop and second stop, they collect the same amount. So how many is the first stop? How many is second stop? It refers to this number. How many? Okay, find your answer by yourself. Yeah, it's close. Okay, and then the page 32, 31, 32. I mean, return the ship 11:50 a.m. and had stopped 45 minutes. So at what time he left the ship? It's easy. Just minus it. 11:50 minus 45 minutes. 11:05 a.m. when he had left the ship. Okay, just do the rest of the number by yourself. Okay, good luck.